Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about if you are iPhone user and you cannot add your card on your Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. Here guys, you are trying to many time but you cannot add your card on your Apple Wallet. So guys, first of all I suggest you try to manually add your card on your Apple Wallet on iPhone or iOS devices, because guys it may not be able to scan because your card in very old situation. So guys, after that also check that card is not expired. So now guys, open setting application on your iPhone. Now scroll down, tap on general, and now scroll down and tap on country or region, language or region. Here guys, to make sure to check the country of your card and your iOS devices must match. If not match, simply select from the country according to your payment method. Now simply go back and see next solution is date and time. Make sure your date and time must be selected automatically. From here you can see appears on screen. After that, go back again from here and check software update. If software update is available, now update your software. Here guys, now see, and next setting is, so guys, simply restart your iPhone. If all these methods not work, I hope your problem will be solved. Guys, if your problem still not working, so simply connect your bank and discuss your problem. So I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like and subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.